is the definition of engineering management? What skills and knowledge are necessary to be an effective engineering manager? My answer is as below. Good engineering managers are people managers and leaders for software developer, and they are often responsible for technical delivery teams. They have a strong understanding of technical details combined with competency in adjacent domains such as analytics, product management, and design. When I first became an engineering manager, I wasn't as effective as I could have been. I've always been an avid reader. I've read many leadership books. I could recite paragraph from Simon Sinek's famous book Start With Why, and I could retell all the stories from Dale Carnegie, How to Win Friends and Influence People. Don't get me wrong, those books were totally amazing and they helped me in being a great people manager, but I wasn't a very effective engineering manager. Looking back, I realized it was because I was missing pieces of the puzzle in engineering leadership, understanding about processes and products. I've got the people part down pat, but when it came to processes and products, there were room for improvement. So, to be a successful and effective engineering manager, I believe that you need to excel in the following: first, people management; second, processes; third, products; and last but not least, organizational and business knowledge. And the goal of an engineering manager is to create a team with highly engaged and motivated team members who are working together to achieve business outcomes. In my blog, you will find resources, tools, technique, and information required to help you be an effective software development manager and engineering manager. If you're looking for a practical how-to guide for engineering managers, you may also check out my book called The Engineering Manager How to Guide. Good luck.